Hey everybody, welcome back to the Nidus Anarchy series. I'm your host Adam, CIO and co-founder of Nidus, and today I want to talk about the 8220 gang and how they're going after Oracle WebLogic servers. So Oracle WebLogic servers have been around forever. Pretty much every Oracle Fusion middleware app, which is the whole identity stack, runs on Oracle WebLogic servers. So this one's important for a lot of us old school OIM people out there, in OIG now, right? So the 8220 gang has been infiltrating WebLogic servers for a while, and they've got a new one out. And what they're doing is they're turning your WebLogic servers into cryptocurrency miners. Now, I'm going to read you a quote from Trend Micro, where they're the ones that found this out, I guess, to explain what's happening, and then I'll give you my take on this. So, the threat actor deploys fileless execution techniques using DLL reflective and process injection, allowing the malware code to run solely in memory and avoid disk-based detection mechanisms. I stopped caring at DLL. Now, here's why. This only affects the Windows versions. They go on into explain the details of the attack and all the different executable files and DLL files and all this fun stuff that they're doing. I have been saying since day one that WebLogic should never be installed on Windows. It should only be running on Linux. And even if you're like, oh, well, we're an AD company, I don't care. You shouldn't be running WebLogic and Oracle Fusion middleware apps on Windows. It is not the best way to be doing things. If you don't know how to use Linux, hire someone that does. You wouldn't be having this problem, that's for sure, and a plethora of other problems. It does work, I get it. But I'm telling you, in my history of doing this, and I've been working with Oracle Identity Manager since they bought it before Windows Accelerate. So I've been using WebLogic Server a lot now for like 20 years. Oh my God, it's been 20 years. Anyway, the amount of times I've had to work with WebLogic or this whole Fusion stack on Windows is maybe, I would say 5% of the time. It's that small. And those are just the most arrogant, stuck-up AD people that are like, we're running everything AD because that's all we know. So that's what happens to you. So if you have Oracle WebLogic server, I don't even know how to patch this. There might be a patch out there by Oracle. Good luck finding it. But yeah, my biggest recommendation is if you're running Oracle WebLogic server on Windows and this vulnerability is affecting you, migrate to Linux. So that's it. I'll see you later.